What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on Decentralized social, which has been picking up in value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 21% up, making it $52.27. So that is exactly what we're going to be going for today. It's my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months on this crypto. A lot of people have been asking me, should I invest into it right now? Should I wait for it to dip? And others are asking me, should I wait for it to go up in value before I sell it? So that is exactly what I'm going to be answering and giving you guys my take on this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. Anyways, as you can see, over the last hour itself, we managed to gain 3% in value. Over the last day, 23%. We can see it going through a major increase in value, hitting 59 cents earlier on yesterday, and then it dropped back down in value, and right now going back up. And over the month, 29%, and over the week, 29%, and over the month, a massive 64% nearly. And here we can see it nearly hit the $99 mark as well, so nearly hitting the $100, but right now it's gone nearly half its value. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,755%, which is a huge increase in trading volume, making it $15 million. So we can also see here that there are way more buyers, 64% buy against 36% sell. So obviously we do have a huge amount of buyers, and minority of the people are still selling the cryptos off, hopefully taking out the profits and reinvesting when it drops down in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the Fibonacci scale. That's what I'm going to be using to do the technical analysis, but that's not what I'm going to start off with, so I'm going to hide it and bring this back later on in the video. What I'm going to start off with though is the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. So at the bottom here we've got the MACD indicator, and at the top we've got the usual candlestick pattern chart, and we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at $39.75. However, it is trading at $52 at a much higher value than the average, meaning it's performing very well at the moment and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart, start off with a prediction for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I start that, guys, just a quick disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning increases in value are expected over the coming hours. So hopefully towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment, potentially heading towards the $60 mark. I'm not saying it's going to hit the $60, but heading towards that target. However, that does not mean that we're not going to see any dips. Of course we will. We're going to see red candlesticks, green candlesticks, but the overall outcome is all that matters. That seems to be positive. Again, the lines are not looking too steep, so don't expect anything too much as well. Don't get too excited, guys, but a minimal increase is expected. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? We are still looking bullish, still looking positive, and again the lines are not looking too steep, so it's going to be a slow and steady increase in value over the coming days. So towards the end of the week we should hopefully be way above the $60 mark, guys. And again, as I keep mentioning, do not expect every single day for the next 7 days to be green. Of course we are going to have days when it's red, days when it's green, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to be more on the positive side and potentially going past the $60 mark. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks are again looking bullish, guys. So at the moment, Decentralized social is full of positivity, green candles, and obviously the lines are also looking bullish, meaning increases in value are expected over the next couple of weeks. So I'm talking about mid-May to late May, which they expect it to be a much higher value than what it's worth at the moment. However, you guys have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now, guys. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of decentralized social, and of course any urgent updates or emergency update that come across that can have a potential impact either in a positive or negative way. I'm going to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, just to provide you guys with the most up-to-date important information and most accurate predictions as much as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, guys, if any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is limited to the first 100 people. After 100 people join, I'm going to lock it off and no one will be able to join. Just to make it clear, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor, so I only make smart moves. But again, if you guys have any questions or any queries before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So as you can see, we are still trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since about, let's have a look here, mid-January, and we are still here. However, we did see a breakout point, which was 28th of March. It broke out here, and then resisted at this level, which is the $96 mark, and then dropped straight back down in value, and we are back in the red zone. So what we are potentially doing now is heading towards this target here, which is the, let's have a look, $60.45 mark. So once we do hit this target, two things can happen, guys. It can either resist and drop back down in value, or break out and then hit in the next target level, which is $80 mark. But the only problem with breaking out is I don't want, what happened last time. Obviously, it just went all the way back up and dropped all the way straight back down, which has no real use. It's just literally up and down within a day or two. And what we want is for it to go up and stay there and even go higher and higher, every month. So hopefully, guys, once we do break out at this point, we can slowly head up to there. Not within a day break out at 2 points. We want to slowly break out this point, head there slowly, and then slowly resist here, and then break out again at this level. So it needs to be a slow and steady process, not 80-90% one day and then 30% down the next day. That's just not stable, and it's not, it seems very sketchy when that happens. But hopefully decentralized social will be able to have a slow and steady increase for the rest of the year and potentially hitting a new all-time high. Yes, it is quite far away from hitting a new all-time high, but if it goes the right way, slow and steady increase, we should be able to do that. But again, I will keep you guys updated on this crypto. If you guys want regular updates on decentralized social, comment down below and I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you so much to every single one of you who have been watching, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys who have been subscribing, the old subscribers, new subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.